Hello, today you're looking at a Packard Precision Vertical Drill Press brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 110 volt. It has a 12-inch by 20-inch base there on the bottom. Has a half-inch chuck right there. And the key to go with it is up there. It has a 12-inch diameter work table and can be adjusted 24 inches up and down here. Overall dimensions 30 inches long by 18 inches wide by 66 inches high. Does have a 3/4 horsepower motor. Manufactured in 1979. Still runs well, as we'll turn it on here so you can hear it go. If you're interested in this unit, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.